Almac Pharma Services, a member of the Almac Group, which is a leading global pharmaceutical biotech outsourcing partner, and we boast over 55 years experience. We have a workforce of 1,600 highly skilled individuals spread across 4 locations. Pharma Services provides a comprehensive suite of services. They include early and late phase pharmaceutical development, clinical and commercial drug product manufacturing, product launches, commercial packaging, and that's across a global distribution network. Almac Pharma Services recently completed a significant expansion project at our global headquarters here in Craigavon, Northern Ireland. The project involved the construction of a 32,000 square foot custom-built high-volume facility designed to enhance our commercial manufacturing and packaging capacity for our sachet drug product presentations, serving and our global client base. Almac Pharma Services invested in new blending and sifting equipment to accommodate the increased production demands for the new global client base. The systems supplied were upgraded versions of previously installed equipment. These included a Kason sifter, which efficiently screens powdered material, the Y-comb blender, which is used to mix a specific amount of material in a very consistent and gentle manner before being transferred into the double comb blender for further processing. All the equipment is controlled by a Kason supplied HMI panel, which provides Almac with consistent, efficient material handling operation. The installation of the new blending equipment brings several significant business benefits to us, including increased blending capacity, enhanced efficiencies, consistent and repeatable processing, and guaranteed quality assurance, and efficient delivery for our clients. Our long-standing relationship with AMP gives us the ability to meet higher demands and deliver quality products promptly. This gives us a true competitive edge in the marketplace and positions us as a preferred supplier in the industry capable of handling large-scale and complex projects. Almac Pharma Services have established a strong working relationship with AMP, largely characterised by the regular communication with the designated project manager and responsiveness in addressing maintenance and resolving any issues. Looking ahead, as we continue to expand and meet ongoing client demands, the proven reliability and performance of AMP's equipment make them a preferred partner for future investments.